Well, good morning, family. We are off on a morning walk. It's actually like noon, but we're off out of the house. We were gonna go to Grandma's today, but Grandpa is not feeling well. So we're just gonna go on a walk, and he's so thrilled he's riding his bike. Ah! Pedal! Pedal, pedal, pedal! You're doing it! You're doing it, pedal! Oh, you stop! Duck! Oh no! You gotta get it on that side. Look, let go, let go, let go.
Duck!
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
Duck!
So Mr. No Nap McGee back there. He didn't nap. And I ordered his birthday costume because, oh, I set up his birthday party. So I set up his birthday party and I ordered his birthday costume, and it's not going to be here by his birthday. Cookies. So we are doing some last minute shopping, hoping maybe we could find one somewhere. Because it's going to be super cute if he could have a birthday costume. That'd be so fun. So we'll see what we can find. You are doing so good. Look at you. Oh my goodness, guys. We just powered that down. But we were sitting here eating dinner. I'm finished. He's been in and out. And if you're not following us on Facebook, go ahead and like our Facebook page. It'll be linked in the description below. Because he did something pretty funny and I didn't have my camera. Oh, he needs cocoa. He needs chocolate milk. Because I told him he would get chocolate milk if he ate his dinner. Did you eat your dinner?
No.
You didn't?
No.
So should you get chocolate milk?
No.
Oh, okay. Then I won't give you chocolate milk. I don't think he doesn't even know what he's saying no to. He ate like a massive amount of dinner, which is awesome. Look at that big belly. Let me see your belly. Let me see your button. Yeah. Do you have some chocolate milk? Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk.
Mama.
But anyway, so we're just sitting here eating dinner, and he came running in, and I didn't have my camera with me or anything, and it was pretty funny. So I posted a little video on Facebook. Go check it out. It's cute. I laughed. But then again, I'm a mom, so I laugh at my kid. But anyways, I'm sad. So sad. I'm sad because I placed the order for his birthday outfit today, and we're basically stuck at it will either be here by March 30th or April 11th. His birthday's on the 8th. His party's on the 9th. So keep your fingers crossed for us that the outfit will get here. They had it at multiple stores that we went to. However, they had it in like size 5 and up. Like, I didn't even know they made a size 10. Apparently they do. But I mean, those were the only sizes, and I'm like, obviously those aren't gonna fit him, so. We're super sad, but it's gonna be a mommy-son movie, cookies, and popcorn night. Hey, you wanna do movie, cookies, and popcorn?
Yeah.
Yeah! What movie do you want to watch? I'm not watching Planes Again. It's not happening.
Treat.
You want a treat. You don't care what movie it is. You just want a treat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah! Can we watch Fuller House?
Bath.
You want to take a bath.
Bath.
You want a treat in the bath.
Treat.
Oh my goodness, we got kids. They got kids running. You could hear them from a mile away. That's what I love about this complex. So, we're gonna have a mommy son night. So I know it's early, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog unless he does anything like super funny. So if the vlog keeps going, he obviously did something super funny. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. There they come again. 1, 2, 3. They lost a comrade. There's only 2 this time. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog now. We had a super fun day riding bikes, not taking naps, and shopping. You want to go run outside?
Yeah.
Okay. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Oh, by the way, go down there and check out what we were doing last year at this time. It'll be linked in the description below. Our Facebook, Twitter, and probably Instagram is all linked down there as well. So go follow us on everything. Like, as if we weren't already drowning in social media. Anyways, see you next time. Bye! Aerik, say bye, peeps!